Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a fully functional booking website using this website, the Wix Studio. So either you are a personal trainer, yoga instructor, salon owner, or running a consulting business, this tutorial will walk you through every step too. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to set up a Wix website. If you don't have a Wix account, you need to create, and after that one, you need to create a new site here. You can either create a new one or choose a template from this website. So here guys, Wix will ask you what type of website you want to create. You either choose bookings or the services. So here, browse through Wix pre-made booking templates or start with a blank one. On this tutorial guys, we are going to choose a template and pick a template that closely matches your business style to save time. And then here, you just need to tap on that edit one and you'll be directed to the other page, which is this one. And once the template is loaded, you can give your website a name. And here, Wix Booking is a built-in tool that makes it super easy to add scheduling and appointment features to your site. Here, you need to go to the Wix App Market. On the left-hand menu, click the plus icon, add apps button, search for Wix Bookings in the search bar, and install Wix Bookings. Click add to site to install the Wix Bookings app, and you will now see the Bookings widget appear on your site editor. Here, access the Wix Bookings dashboard. Here, you need to click Bookings to enter the app dashboard. This is where you will set up your services, schedule, and payment options. Here, you need to add a new service here. Choose the type of service you offer here, either appointments, one-on-one sessions, classes, group sessions with set dates and set times, and of course the courses, which is multiple sessions. Here guys, you can either choose create a booking form, and here add another service. Here tap on that one, add new service, and here depending on you, if you want a virtual consultation or a paid session, which is client session, or price estimate, free online, or the class, which is group session that can recur, or this one. So let's try this one guys, and here, this is your new service. Change your name. For example, that one is Yoga Flow Exclusive. So here guys, you will be able to add here description. For example, that one is, let's try to add a description for us to save time, and create text, and then after that one is you are going to use this text. So tap on the use text button, the blue one, and here you can see here, and below here is the max participants. So since this service is exclusive, change the participants into one, and then here you can choose how clients can pay for this service guys. For example, that is per session with a plan, or a session with a plan. Here you need to change your price. For example, that one is per session, and then here the payment preferences, either amount, online or in person, and then right after that one you need to save your service here. So here, right after that one is you are going to add a business location here, of course, for a amount payment in person. Here, let people know where your business is based and how they can contact you. So disclaimer guys, this is just an example, so this part will be depending on you. And right after this one guys is we are going to the next step, which is the setting of availability. So right after you save this one guys is you need to go to the settings. So under these options guys, the settings, you will choose when this service is available for booking and save the service. Here, your booking calendar is what clients use to schedule. And now guys, go to the settings guys and choose this one, customizing. Here you will be directed here to the other page, which is accept payments. So this, you can connect payments here through your different method of payment. And here guys, in the Wix dashboard, you can click accept payments. And here you choose if you want to accept online payments at the time of booking or allow clients to pay in person when they arrive. And once your payment methods are set, the clients can pay seamlessly when booking their assignments. That's it guys. Now let's bring it all together by customizing the overall look of your booking website. Here, you can edit here the introduction about your business and the name of your shop. Also guys, don't forget to include a call to action button that links directly to your booking calendar, and customize the fonts, colors, and the images here. You can also replace placeholder images with your own photos for a personal touch. And also guys, you can also create an additional page, which is an about page, contact page, but this option is just optional. And before going live guys, you need to test first everything. Here, you'll be able to see that one in the tablet view. You can go to your live preview and test the booking progress. Here, you can also check the payment method works correctly and make sure all links and pages are functional. And then here, you can click that preview, and right after you preview that one guys, once everything looks perfect, click publish to make your site live. Now that your site is live, here are a few tips to get more bookings. Of course, share your website link on social media, add your booking link to your email signature or newsletters, and run ads targeting your ideal clients. And that's it guys. You now have a professional booking website set up with Wix. So either you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or running a studio, this platform makes it simple to manage bookings, accept payments, and grow your business. And right now guys, you can see here, I am now publishing this one. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more step-by-step website guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help. To here, tap on the view my site and you'll be directed here. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next tutorial. Bye!